In today's fast-paced automotive industry, professional repair shops need reliable, high-quality parts to keep customers satisfied and vehicles performing at their best. WAI has firmly established itself as a global leader in the rotating electric industry thanks to its relentless commitment to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction. With the acquisition of PSH, WAI is now the world's largest supplier of rotating electrical products, serving the automotive, heavy-duty, agriculture and industrial, marine, lawn and garden, and power sports markets. For shop owners, every part selection impacts efficiency, profitability, and customer trust. WAI's 100% new alternators and starters are engineered for precision, reliability, and durability. These products feature transpo electronics components and undergo rigorous testing to meet or exceed OE specifications. Key benefits include no core returns, eliminating handling hassles, plug-and-play installation, and premium components that enhance durability. These factors help your techs complete jobs faster and reduce costly comebacks. Service advisors can confidently recommend WAI products knowing they deliver OE quality performance. Whether it's a starter, alternator, or advanced electronic component, customers receive reliable parts backed by a limited lifetime warranty. WAI's alternators and starters are designed for modern vehicles, supporting features such as start-stop technology, electric power steering, and advanced fuel systems, while enduring the harsh conditions of under-hood environments. Beyond rotating electrical components, WAI also delivers a full range of non-rotating electrical solutions, including wiper motors, window regulators, and transfer case motors. These components are built for durability, easy installation, and seamless operation in extreme conditions. WAI's engine management solutions support modern engine control systems with precision engineered components such as MAF sensors, MAP sensors, crankshaft and camshaft position sensors, and ignition coils. Each unit is rigorously tested for heat resistance, reliability, and direct fit installation. Brake calipers are another essential offering from WAI, with 100% new units featuring corrosion resistance coatings, premium components, and independent testing for durability and safety, ensuring smooth operation and peace of mind for both technicians and customers. With operations in over 105 countries, WAI integrates transpo electronics into many of its products and provides digital tools like WAIglobal.com and quickfinder.net, giving professionals instant access to product information, application guides, and technical resources. For your customers, for your techs, for your shop. At the end of the day, your success depends on the reliability of the parts you install. WAI Global helps you deliver quality repairs with confidence, ensuring happy customers who return and recommend your shop. Explore WAI Global's full range of aftermarket solutions at WAIglobal.com.